to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on software like Microsoft Office, Adobe Photoshop, you can just download it from Kazaa. Or you can do the right thing. Hold on. Or you can do the right thing.
Give them a good option.
And you can get the open source alternatives for free.
Great.
And so what we've done, we've picked a couple different applications. Some of these are open source, some of them are just freeware. And we're going to show you what you would pay for something and then the free alternative. So in this case, the first one is Photoshop. Okay. Photoshop, very expensive application.
We all know
Photoshop, hundreds of dollars. We have the alternative is called GIMP.
Now, I've heard lots about the GIMP.
The GIMP is a great application. It's a little sluggish at first.
But it's GIMP.
But it's GIMP.
Isn't that what I would assume it would be sluggish. It's a GIMP.
No, it's a really good application, though. It can do pretty much everything that Photoshop can. And there's, you're talking multiple layers, all the different tools here on the left-hand side. And they've really, well, I'm not really good at this.
Well, that's okay. It's the GIMP. He doesn't mind.
Where's my little...
It's the pencil. That's an airbrush.
Let me choose my... Oh, maybe I wanted to do an airbrush.
I don't know.
Oh, air. Oh, and it crashed. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. It's free. It's free. It's completely free. So no, it's good application.
I'm sure it is.
And they've really, I mean, if you've used this before, I used like 1.0 and stuff like that, and it was kind of, you didn't know where the tools were, and yeah, they've really improved the UI, and it's completely free download.
Cool. I'll try it.
So if you don't have Photoshop and you're using Microsoft Paint, download this now.
GIMP it.
Next one, Microsoft Office. We all know Microsoft Office, hundreds and hundreds of dollars.
Yep.
Now, what we like is a little application called AbbeyWord.
Oh, that sounds nice.
AbbeyWord is very easy to use. Look at how clean.
In the corner there?
Where do you see an ant? Yeah, right up here. That's the little icon for it.
There
Boy, there's a boo.
No, he said ooh.
Oh, okay.
Like, look how slick and free.
Right?
See?
Yeah,
Woot guy likes free, yeah.
You always got to look to the woot woot guy to make sure you got the approval. But it's a great application.
Woo!
So, I mean, it does just, I mean, there's not a whole lot to say here. You just pretty much.
Test wrong.
No, I didn't. So basically, you just choose the font. I mean, this is boring, but it works great. And if you don't have Microsoft Word and you're using something else.
Will it read Word, do you know?
Yes, it reads and writes Word documents, so you're good to go. Next one, Illustrator. Microsoft Illustrator, another very expensive application.
Very expensive, very flexible.
There was
Adobe.
Yes, it is Adobe.
Yep.
So what they came out with is an application called Killustrator. And it was supposed to be the killer for Illustrator. They got sued by Adobe, so they changed the name to Carbon 14.
Which sounds exactly like Killustrator.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know why 14.
Carbon 14.
So Carbon 14 is a great, the only problem with this, it was written for Linux. It's a great application, but it does run on OS X. So if you have a Mac, you can go with OS X.
Yes.
A great little alternative to Illustrator.
Otherwise, Illustrator from Kazaa.
Yes. No.
No.
Next application.
To put that no in it as if we were joking at the end. Right. Otherwise, we go to jail. Next.
We don't want that. WinZip. WinZip.
Ah, yes.
Very expensive application, $10 or $15.
Oh, my pocketbook feels heavy already.
Anytime there's a free version, we always like to offer that as an alternative. Good. This one, Isarc is a great little alternative to it. It supports multiple file types other than zip, kind of like WinZip does and WinRAR. Yeah. And easy to use interface. You know, just right-click on stuff, choose Add to Archive, Extract. Cool. Very simple, very straightforward. The last one, Norton Antivirus, we want to tell you, AVG Antivirus, completely free. It'll save you $50 rather over Norton, and it works great. We use it on the set computers around here. Sure. We've had no problems with it at all.
Love AVG.
So for the links to all these free applications, you can download them right now, 100% free. Show notes, screensavers.com.